With your Southeast Colorado weather on seconews.org, I'm Adrian Hart. We're checking out Timpas Creek on Otero County Road CC as rainfall continues across southeast Colorado. We've got an inbox full of heavy snow pictures from other parts of the state. We'll share some of those with you guys on the weather page. And we'll keep you guys updated as this storm impacts southeast Colorado. You can follow us on the Seco weather page on Facebook, Seco News on Facebook, and subscribe for free to the Seco News YouTube channel. From Timpas Creek in Otero County, on this rainy March day, I'm Adrian Hart.